Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Body Engineer Neeraj. In today's video, I am going to tell you the exercises which you can perform in your home without going to the gym. All these exercises are for upper body, and this is the first part of upper body workout circuit. This is basic push-up where you are putting your knees down on the floor and you are putting your hands in line with the chest. This is called beginner push-ups. Anybody can perform these push-ups. Make sure your rib cage is lifted all the time. Your breathing, when you go down, you need to inhale. When you go up, you exhale. This is just one more variation where you are crossing your legs and performing the same movement. Inhale when you go down, exhale when you go up. Again, make sure your arms, your palm, basically it has to be under your chest or in line with your chest. This is mountain stretch to get a very good eccentric tension on your upper back and a complete arm. So you can perform this right after the push-up. This is one of the best stretch and contraction for your upper body. This is a complete basic push-up where you're extending your legs completely straight, your knees straight, and you are holding the entire body weight on your hands and on your toes and doing the same movement. This is light cobra stretch to give a relax or little tension to your lower back muscle. If you're working out continuously, it can give you little strain on your lower back, but by doing this exercise, you can release that stress. This is one of the best and intensive variation to perform push-ups. This is called Hindu push-up or wrestling push-up. And you can perform this exercise to get tension in your upper body, entire upper body, chest and back muscle. Even your arms are also working. Whenever you're performing your upper body workout, this particular exercise where you are touching your hands to your toes is considered the best exercise, where you're not giving any tension to your lower back but still you're getting the enough tension on your abdomen and oblique muscle. For upper body workout, this is the second variation for abdomen workout. You are crossing your legs and lifting the entire body. Make sure your hands should reach towards the ceiling. It should not go far away from your body. Whenever you go up, you need to exhale. When you go down, you need to inhale. Now for training your specifically tricep muscle. This is the best workout where you are putting your hands more closer with your body and going down and up slowly. Your legs are extended. Same, inhale down and exhale up. This particular stretch is called child pose, and a good variation for adding this particular stretch in between the exercise so that your body is always free to perform all the exercises. This is one of the best stretch for your lower back and your entire upper body. You should perform this workout in between the exercise or after ending a complete circuit of all the exercises. Perform all the exercise given in this particular circuit. The way I have given you, perform 10 repetitions of each exercise, 2 to 3 sets. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thank you very much.